So today we're at this event called Period Correct is a place.
It's a place.
Yeah. But they host like meets every now and then for dudes with beards and Porsches and stuff, like white dudes.
And Land Rovers.
Yeah, and Land Rovers, and then with their white girlfriends with their poodles. But David seems to come all the time and then never invites us. So for once he actually invited us, so it'd be nice to come.
Because we don't have him.
Yeah, and you also live down the street, so you could have come any time. What do they do here normally? Merch and shit?
No, this is merchandise.
Oh.
Mac and cheese we had. Oh my god. More whitefish we had.
Yeah, man. Like all the white people in Costa Mesa woke up today.
Banksy shit is sick.
Yeah, the one where the thing got shredded.
Yeah, I'm like reading it right now, talking about it. Wait. So anyway, so someone had the same
Hi.
Hi.
Good. I know. It's been a while. This guy's shooting with a medium format camera.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Yeah. No, you got a phone now, dude. You need an app. You don't need a hood no more. Yeah, man. I don't know what he's taking a picture of. Yeah.
But I'm shooting Prime.
This is the first time using it?
56.
You learn how to shoot with an actual camera now?
Somewhat. I'm trying out manual settings right now.
What's that?
Yeah, they sit in the ship room. Yeah, that was my content is like the room.
Just sitting there right now. I just say that. Crooks and Castles. As many cars that he has. The card maybe from Japan actually. It's definitely imported. Yeah, look at the inside.
He has like that like service tag.
Yeah. And then the Metro Pass thing. Oh no, that's for here.
Or even like the ship.
Yeah, it's a Japanese imported. Cool. Inside?
Japanese.
Oh, look at that guy. Anything for the shot. I would do that too if my legs did that. It's from Japan. Yeah, it's imported. Because look, it has a registration sticker, and then look at the inside. Yeah. I guess that's where you can find these long wheelbase versions. Yeah.
Favorite car today.
Yeah.
Favorite car. Yeah, the lot.
Yeah.
It's like a first aid kit.
Oh shit. Huh. Yeah. You can only play 90s hip hop though. Later. David, you might be able to leave some cars. Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, the low waist comes.
Yeah. But you look at the Nissan Leaf. All the cars you look at the Nissan Leaf. Look at this. to. I'll talk about it. It's a K Turbo NSX that we've been covering off and on, more off than on. But now the engine's on, so everything seems to look like it's in working order. They already fired it up. You can see that it's wired now for the most part. Everything seems to be plumbed correctly. Mui's hungry.
I'm hungry as well. I guess everybody is hungry, but
nope, I already ate.
You guys just eat?
Yep.
Jimmy John's.
We have Jimmy John's now, so.
I went to Jimmy John's and it was fucking 7.
Dude, ours closes like at 10 or 11.
That's bullshit.
This video is sponsored by Jimmy John's sandwiches, huh? Yeah. Yeah, it closes like super late.
I thought they closed at 3 p.m. I missed sponsorship.
That was only for 1 year, really. Yeah.
Well, that just sucks anyway.
They decided not to renew because.
Well, casinos is like.
Well, I kind of made a post about how I wasn't really helpful to them unless they give me a car to build, and they didn't seem to agree. So.
They were like, we'll show you not helpful.
Yeah.
You're not coming back.
He's like, you know what? We're just not gonna let you do anything. How about that?
Self-sabotaging. Maximum right now.
Hey, I'm known for my honesty, you know. So.
Can't argue with that.
Yeah. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I mean, I liked it. It was great. They put me in a nice hotel and everything, but they didn't give me a car to build, so whatever.
So it's like.
So I can get my foot in the door and start building all kinds of stuff for other companies, you know? It's more like resume stuff.
You really want to build cars?
Yeah. I mean, not really, but
Yeah, you do.
I'm just like making all kinds of money without building cars, so.
Build a car for no money? I got lots of that.
Yeah. I have expendable income now, so I mean, it's disposable. No, it's not disposable either. I don't have any kind of income actually, but whatever.
Money, please.
There's no outcome without income. Amir, why did the turbo get smaller? What happened?
Well, the bigger one, there's a bigger one on the shelf over there.
That one is a joke turbo. It's just
Yeah.
Oh, it's the pre-turbo?
Well, this is the let's try not to break everything else turbo,
Yeah,
so
okay.
that way I can kind of shake it down and figure out the normal stuff that's going to be tested.
Yeah.
Because if the turbo is big, it would just probably break everything.
Or it's a gang turbo.
Yeah. If you don't plumb this throttle body, it's gonna suck the turbo in, so.
It's kind of like sad because everything else is sized for a much larger turbo, so everything's very aggressive and huge, and it's like
Yeah.
donut.
So it's K turbo with a lowercase t.
It's just a little bit. Put thinking on it.
Yeah.
But it does spool very fast.
Yeah, see, it's not the size that matters.
Don't we all?
It's the motion, yeah.
Oh, that's right. I know. Yeah, it's kind of like.
That's so weird. I can't move this window. Oh, why? Why?
I think my mouse is changing.
There's silver sticking on a white car. How's that flashing? It's not being a girl.
That's a compliment. I think that's a compliment.
Okay, if you're at a car event and you're a girl and you're worried about your stickers drawing too much attention,
No, I
You
can
just
leave,
don't-
I can leave those on
Uh-oh.
for the meet. I mean, just for like driving it to the
you're saying you don't want anybody to know you're associated with that sorry thing.
Utah's in a really good mood today. It's really weird.
That's how you
I fed him a sandwich, that's why. Yeah. Give him a sandwich, he's like complimenting people and shit.
You gave a sandwich, mate?
Yeah, I gave him a Jimmy John sandwich and like breathed life into him.
We also have to
Yeah.
realize he sounds like a totally different person when he talks to me.
Yeah, right?
Like he's a human being.
He's like kind of almost human, yeah.
Almost human.
He's 68% human being versus a million.
Earlier when we were driving here, he was just like, yeah, like sometimes I want to get mad at people who are like driving slow or whatever, but you know, they're going through shit too. And I was like, what? Did you just express compassion? Who are you? You eat one sandwich and you're human?
We found the key.
Jimmy
It's
John's,
tuna.
man. God damn that Jimmy John's, you son of a bitch, Jimmy John. Look at that, he's like laughing and shit. It's crazy.
Jimmy John sponsorship because
Yeah. Jimmy John's providing compassion.
yeah, we need that shit 24/7.
good that he got out of the shop. Just being a real asshole. It's
Was
very
he?
difficult.
Being a Krabby Patty?
Kind of, yeah.
I figured he was in Krabby Patty mode.
Kristian like brought parts the other day and he put it on the car, and then Yuta showed up and he was angry. He just started kicking shit around everywhere. I was like, what do you want him to do, man?
Yeah, I talked to him earlier and he was like, oh, I need to, he was like, oh, I really need that header. And I was like, oh, I can bring it to you. And he was like, no, I can come get it. And I was like, oh, he wants to get out of the shop. I was like, yeah, why?
The Krabby Patty, dude. Just working every day till like noon and then going home. It's weird, man.
Yeah, I feel that. It's just so funny how differently people handle like, stress and sleep deprivation. Like, he's way more sleep deprived than I am.
I mean, he's kind of like just normally human deprived, so it makes him more of an asshole already. So.
Is your ignition on?
Yeah, ignition's on.
Upload.
Oh, you pissed it off. Okay. All right?
Yeah.
All right.
The GoPro's broken. You blew a box off the top of your car, which is kind of cool. Like a really small box.
Is he getting power?
Yeah, that's fired ignition.
You know what's not getting power anymore? My left ear.
TDC sensor, intermittent signal, something.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, what fuel pump is that?
I don't know.
Super racing.
Whatever one that pops.
Get out of here with that shit.
I feel like the turbo's gonna fly off.
Is that why you have to leave your trunk to house the fucking fuel pump?
Yeah. That's why you have so many blankets around the car, just in case parts start flying off. They just land on the blanket.
It's to contain the fuel pump.
Yeah. This is what your butt's gonna sound like after you eat Wiener Schnitzel later.
That was very loud.
Secondary oxygen sensor. I haven't made any fuel changes. Just trying to get rid of this.
Yay. Nice. Sounds pretty healthy.
Sounds like a diesel truck missing some
Yeah.
It is a data Omnipower 4.
No. Buy another NSX.
You didn't get one of those like mounting plate thingies
What's that?
with a bill spec connector?
Oh, I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna CNC one out of
Oh, of course. Yeah. Of course.
because it's kind of a weird spot. So I don't know if like the right wire one will fit.
Yeah.
And I have a bunch of carbon that I made plates. So
I'm not sure if I can CNC it because of the angle.